There are about 200,000 car accidents in the state of Florida every year. And not all accidents result in someone getting a ticket. Hi, I'm Keith Taylor, and today I want to answer the question, what if I was involved in a car accident and the other driver did not get a ticket for the accident? You know, they use the term accident because usually in these cases, someone didn't mean to crash their vehicle into your vehicle. It's called an accident because it was not an intentional act. But one thing that we found is these car accidents, even though it's not intentional, someone is at fault. And they are at fault because of decisions that they have intentionally made. For example, they may have decided a decision to drive too fast, or they may have decided to drive recklessly, or drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or they've decided to drive their vehicle when they're tired and not alert. Sometimes we've even found drivers who decided to drive their vehicle while using their cell phones, texting, sometimes even watching movies while they're driving the vehicle. And so while it was an accident they didn't mean to crash, they did because of their intentional decisions. And that, in the state of Florida, equals fault. The standard is the failure to use reasonable care. And would reasonable drivers do these type of things? Of course not. Now, if a ticket wasn't given, that's a decision made by the cops. The police decide on their own discretion whether to issue a ticket. A ticket only indicates that the police believe there was a violation of the motor vehicle law. It could be speeding, it could be reckless driving, it could even be failure to wear a seatbelt. Even if none of that was done by the police, that does not impact the ability to bring a claim for negligence and for your injuries against the other driver. If they got a ticket or they didn't get a ticket, most of the time that's not going to matter in the decision and the ability to pursue a claim on your behalf if you're involved in a motor vehicle crash. The cops stand in the place of the state of Florida, and they are there to enforce the laws of the state of Florida regarding motor vehicle use and operation. That doesn't mean whether a driver was negligent or not negligent. So just because someone was not given a ticket does not mean you still don't have a case to pursue the at-fault driver, the negligent driver, for injuries that you suffered in a car crash. If you have other questions about car accidents or other legal matters, drop them in the comments below. Happy to answer those. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.